Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a very unusual gadget from Amazon, the XPPen Magic Notepad, a smart notebook that works like a real graphics tablet but looks just like a regular paper notebook. Before we begin, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps the channel grow and motivates me to create more useful reviews for you. Let's get started. The gadget arrives in a neat box that looks like packaging for premium office accessories. Inside, everything is arranged very carefully. The tablet, the cover, the pen, and the extra accessories are all protected in separate sections. From the very first moment, it's clear that the manufacturer treats this device as a real professional tool, not a toy. The box looks premium, and unboxing it is genuinely enjoyable. The package includes the tablet with the notebook, a stylus, replacement nibs, a cable, and a manual. The device looks impressive. It resembles a thin tablet inside a cover that feels like a stylish diary. The notebook pages slide into a special holder, giving you the feel of writing in a real paper journal. The materials are high quality, the cover is firm and pleasant to the touch, and the stylus is lightweight and comfortable. The gadget looks both modern and analog, which makes it truly unique. The idea behind the device is simple. You draw or write on real paper, and every stroke instantly appears in the app on your computer or smartphone. The device recognizes pressure, accurately tracks hand movement, and mirrors your drawing with precision. It's extremely convenient for sketches, studying notes, brainstorming, or creating learning materials. The stylus works without a battery, so you never have to charge it. The notebook can be replaced easily. Just insert a new pad when you run out of pages. This makes the device not just a digital tool but a hybrid instrument that combines real paper with digital graphics. It's incredibly cool that you draw on real paper but get a digital result instantly. It feels natural without the adjustment needed for glass surfaces or drawing tablets. The device accurately captures lines, so your sketches look exactly as intended. The stylus is lightweight and doesn't require charging. The notebook is replaceable, and the tablet itself is thin and light. It's perfect for quick sketches, on-the-go work, or ideas that you want to save in digital format immediately. The gadget is great for beginner artists, designers, and students. It's also perfect for anyone who enjoys drawing by hand but wants instant digital copies for editing or sharing. The device doesn't replace a full professional graphics tablet for complex digital work. There's no screen, so technically you draw blind, although the paper helps reduce this feeling. For some users, the app may seem basic and not as flexible as software for higher-end tablets. You also need to remember that you'll have to replace the notebooks from time to time if you draw a lot. This device is meant more for sketching rather than full digital rendering. The XPen Magic Notepad leaves a very strong positive impression. It blends the feel of traditional paper with digital capture, making it a unique creative tool. It's an excellent option for anyone who loves hand drawing but wants instant digital conversion. The device is lightweight, stylish, and very pleasant to use. If you're looking for a next-generation notebook that combines handwriting with digital technology, this is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this unique gadget, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. There are many more Amazon tech reviews and creative gadgets coming soon. See you in the next videos.